My name is Megan. This is my SUV. It's cozy, it's small, it's stealthy. I think besides the solar panel, if you look closely enough. So right now I'm driving to Banff, Alberta. I lived there for a year and a half, so I have a lot of friends there. And then from there we'll be going to Waterton. I'm gonna focus on driving now. It's been about 30 minutes. But a song came on I loved while I was driving out from Ontario to Alberta, and it was maybe a little nostalgic. I don't know, I was having a moment. I'm really proud of myself. I've been thinking about doing this for like over a year, building like day in and day out for about a month now. This camper that I dreamed up, drew pictures of, and planned out every single detail, and I could cry. I'm excited for the adventures and the challenges that are gonna come my way, and I'm really, really proud of myself for having stuck with it. I didn't have any experience. I'd never built a cabinet before, and let me tell you, I hate hinges. I will never install a hinge again if I don't have to. Last night I spent the night on my friend's couch, and today's the official day. So it's 4:30 now, so I'll get there around 8, and I'm basically just gonna try to find somewhere to sleep. This doesn't go in the fridge. So I've just pulled over kind of on a random road because I'm really hungry. I kind of just thought maybe I could actually find something that's on the way. My main goal is I just don't want to have to drive an hour out of my way, partially just so I can be closer to Waterton and start earlier in the morning, but then also gas money. It's been a very eventful past 20 minutes. So there was just an RCMP officer driving right behind me. And all of a sudden, I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but I just started really questioning, like, what is the speed limit? Am I a criminal? Is he looking at my plates? As I'm watching him and like also trying to like enjoy the ride and the view, a little deer pops out of nowhere. But I did just turn off the highway and we're heading towards where I'm sleeping for the night. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I haven't seen photos because when I was looking it up, I didn't have service. There's a road up there, but it's quiet. There's one other person here. I haven't seen him, but I see a truck. It's kind of nice to have a neighbor. 1 bar of service, so like, I'll take it. I was definitely nervous leading up to finding this place, but now that I'm here, I feel very comfortable, which I'm really excited about. And I think I'm just gonna take it easy for us tonight, make some food. I'm alive. Good morning. I survived. I was definitely a little spooked. I can probably just read to you what I wrote in my journal last night. My first night in the SUV. It's windy, I hear a coyote, I think. I have barely 1 bar of service, so my window cover is off to hopefully help the little phone waves get through. But I feel seen. Maybe my one neighbor can see me journaling in here. Turns out there's actually another person like tucked way around the corner over there. I've never even slept in a car before, just plenty of tent camping. Will it be hot or cold? Right now my feet feel incredibly toasty, and I'm thankful for my much too big for this tiny space duvet. This fear I'm feeling is familiar. It's the same fear I felt on my first night on the Santa Catalina Trail, my first solo through hike, my first ever solo trip. What is with these crazy ideas I have? Anyway, the point is, I love camping and I love hiking, and I love doing both of those things solo. Those first night jitters went away and were replaced with a love for the experience. So I have to assume the same will happen with this. So I'm excited to wake up tomorrow with a newfound sense of security and confidence. I'm sure it will waver from time to time, and I worry a little that the constant alertness I must maintain will wear on me. But I very quickly come to understand the safety protocols people take on the road. I'd feel a little better if I had service inside my vehicle, but I am surrounded by 3 ways to exit and I'm facing the highway. I have a neighbor and can see a nice home down the river. I know there are a couple of farms up the road and a provincial campground nearby. So I guess that's all. Wish me luck. I am thankful to have my loved ones tonight to keep me text company. So I'll open my door one last time to get that sweet, sweet cell service. Good night. I definitely found a sort of peace to go to bed with, and my sleep was very restless. I had like a lot of crazy dreams. I don't know, kind of crazy, but like I feel really good now. I wish I was better at making French press coffee, but you know, coffee's coffee. So now I'm just gonna head into town. There's a couple hikes I want to do in the area, so kind of like the tourist attractions, and then yeah, call it a day. So thank you for joining me for my first night on the road. I'm really excited for more. I'm excited to share my adventures with you, and yeah, see you next time. Still here.